Theoretical probability. In this video, you will learn how to calculate the theoretical probability. Do not forget to subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask or suggest anything. If all possible outcomes of an experiment are equally likely, we use the theoretical probability. This probability is based on what we theoretically expect to occur. To calculate the theoretical probability, we use a very simple and intuitive formula. PA is the probability that A will occur, and A is the number of favorable outcomes, and S is the number of all possible outcomes. Example: when you roll a die, what is the probability of obtaining an odd number? The favorable outcomes are 1, 3, 5. The number of favorable outcomes is 3. The possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of all possible outcomes is 6. Therefore, the probability of rolling an odd number is 3 over 6, or 50%. Example: a box contains a deck of 52 playing cards. A card is chosen at random from the box. What is the probability of pulling a king? In a standard deck, there are 52 cards. There are 4 suits: clubs, spades, diamonds, and hearts. The favorable outcomes are king of spades, king of clubs, king of diamonds, and king of hearts. The number of favorable outcomes is 4. The possible outcomes are all cards in the deck. The number of possible outcomes is 52. Therefore, the probability is 4 over 52. The probability is 8%. At random or randomly means that each card has the same chance of being selected. Example: 2 coins are tossed. Find the probability of getting 2 tails. In this example, I think it's better write down a list of all possible outcomes first. The possible outcomes are: the number of possible outcomes is 4. The favorable outcome is tail and tail. The number of favorable outcome is 1. Therefore, the probability is 1 over 4, or 25%. Example: what's the probability of shaking the hand of a female student if you randomly shake the hand of one person in a room with 23 female students and 34 male students? The favorable outcomes are 23 female students. The number of favorable outcomes is 23. The possible outcomes are 23 female and 34 male students. The number of possible outcomes is 57. Therefore, the probability is 23 over 57. The probability is 40.4%. You should try to solve this exercise by yourself. Then check the answers.